Okay, so now we'll connect Facebook chatbot and WhatsApp chatbot in WordPress website. So for both these chatbot we need to plugin. So we'll go to plugin first, click on add new. Okay, first we'll download for Facebook chatbot. So simply search Facebook chat. Okay, then we'll install this first plugin. Then click on activate. Okay, now for the WhatsApp one we'll go to again add new plugin and then search Cresta help. Okay, we'll install this first one and click on activate. Okay, before you install or activate a plugin you have to see that okay, you have to take a look that in the bottom of a plugin is that compatible with your version or not. So if it is not the correct click mark, then you should ignore the plugin. Okay, whatever. Now we'll go to setting. From setting, first we'll set up the Facebook chatbot. Okay, then set up chat plugin. So after clicking on setup chat plugin, you will get this interface. So if you are logged in with your Facebook, then there automatically will come that option of your Facebook page names. So I have only one page, so I will click on it and continue. Okay, this is how our chatbot will look like in our website. So for customize our chat plugin, we'll click on this arrow. You can choose your language. Then this is a tagline you can which is appearing in here, so we can change it like hi, how can we help you, or anything else, whatever you would like to add here. Then you can edit the icon design. Like currently it is appearing only a icon, but if I click on icon plus text, then this is how it will look like. Or if you can choose only text, whatever. I like this. Then you can change the alignment of this icon. It is currently in left, you can make it right, or I can bring it left. Then you can increase this margin, bottom margin, it will go to up. If you decrease, it will go to down. This one is for mobile version. Okay, it's perfect, whatever. After everything is fine, then you can click on publish. Okay, next we'll set up the WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, this is the one. We have to click on Cresta Help Chat, and then we have to put our WhatsApp number, and then we can change this text. Like we can add AliExpress help desk, whatever you wish. Then this is help another one. Hi there. Okay, you can put here like how can we help you, or what can we do for you, anything, whatever you like. And then you can change this one also, send button. Okay, it's perfect, I think. And then there is one more thing, like the icon will appear in your home page, blog page, push page, and page. So if you want to show it in your full website, then you have to select this entire website. Okay, then we can change, say click on save change. And now if we visit our website, okay, here is our WhatsApp icon, and our Facebook icon should be there. Yes, there it is. Okay, if we click on there, we can start chatting here with continue. And if we click on our WhatsApp, then we can continue chat here. and if you click on WhatsApp from mobile, then it will take you to direct WhatsApp app. Okay, so it was all for today. I hope it was very simple and easy for you. And next, what you want to see, please comment me. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It is a new channel and I need your support badly. Okay, thank you.